What do you do with an unfaithful customer? I don't mean they're unfaithful like they're cheating on their spouse. I mean like they're cheating on you as the house cleaner. They've got another cleaning service cleaning on the weeks you are not there. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by funnycleaningshirts.com. This is a website that gives away a free cleaning shirt every single day. It is G-rated, it is family-friendly, and it is a great gift that you can give to your house cleaner. Or if you are the house cleaner, you can wear it on the job. It's awesome. funnycleaningshirts.com. Okay, on to today's show. There is a house cleaner that wrote into the show, and I'm going to read this so I don't miss anything. I have a client that's been asking me to clean for her weekly instead of bi-weekly, but I don't have enough time in my schedule to do it. She just informed me that she's hired another person to clean on the week that I don't clean. Should I just let her go? I'm afraid that the other person will use something different on the hardwood floors, or if something gets messed up, we won't know which cleaning person did it. Am I wrong for feeling this way? And what should I do? All right, I love this question, and I want to stop for just a second, and I want to give you a high five because she asked you first, okay? So it's not like she wanted to hire someone else and she was behind your back looking for another service and she's pricing someone else and she's going to squeeze you out. She came to you first and she asked you, can you do your same cleaning for me every week instead of every other week? And you said no because of your schedule. So she gave you first right of refusal. So hooray, she loves you. She loves you best. Okay, the next thing that we have to think about, while this feels a little bit like she cheated on you and she's bringing somebody else in and maybe you're up for competition and all these things, that's not exactly what's happening. Right now, you've been cleaning her house every other week. And on the in-between weeks, she's been cleaning her own house, or maybe worse, she hasn't been cleaning it at all. And she realizes that's an extra burden on you and she's trying to make your job easier. And so instead of her cleaning on the other weeks, she's bringing someone else in to do that for her. Okay, so she's willing to pay someone to do that on the other weeks. Now, this would be very similar to there's something that you need at the store and you go to the same store every single time, but there's this one week that you're out of town or you're in a different place and it's not convenient for you to go to the other store that you normally go to all the way across town. So you stop at a similar store or even a store by the same name and you go out and you buy the item from that store. It's not that you're being unfaithful to this store, it's just that it didn't work out that way. It is a business transaction, okay? So don't take it personally. Don't think of it as like, oh, the other company is going to mess me up. The homeowner could have messed up. Well, on the weeks that you're not there, the homeowner could have put something weird on the floor. And then you show up and you're like, what on earth is this, right? You're only responsible for when you are there. And if you have a satisfaction guarantee, that lasts for 24 hours. So if she did something on the week that you're not there, within 24 hours, they're going to say, well, clearly it was her that messed the thing up, whatever it was, right? And if something is left unclean on the time that you are there, it will clearly be your mistake because you were the one that was there this week, right? So I do recommend that you have a satisfaction guarantee and that it has a 24-hour time limit on it. If anything malfunctions in the first 24 hours, come back to the customer's house and make it right. The good news is about the situation that you're in right now, there is some kind of a competition going on, whether it's spoken or whether it is admitted or whether it is acknowledged. And what that is both of you are going to up your games. You're both going to say, wait a second, if in the event one of us gets cut, which one is it? And you will both do your very best work to try to audition for the job. That means every time you come, you're going to say, hey, I'm going to do it my best job this time because I want to be the one that gets the job in the event that one of us has to go, right? So you should be doing that at every customer's house. So this is really no different because you could be replaced at any time on any job by any customer, right? Customers don't own us and we don't own them. And so it's just a business transaction. So let go of this as far as worrying and should I let her go? No, don't let her go. Please, this is a good paying customer that likes you. She liked you because she asked you first, right? So I just want you to stop for a second and say, whoa, that feels uncomfortable and I'm not sure what's going on, but it's okay, right? It's okay because she's trying to make your job easier by having it cleaned on the off weeks when you're not there. So it's all okay. It's all right. Don't let it bother you. All right? I hope that helps a little bit. If it does, give us a thumbs up. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.